Yeah, JT, Boro Fan TV. I'm here with Mike. Mike's a bit more happy now than what he was to his trip to South Wales. Mike, we made the trip to Blackburn, got the win 1-0. What did you make of the game?
Well, of course, I'm glad they did win this game, because if they lost that, to be honest, that was the most, I think that was probably the most boring game we've had this season. Yeah. It was absolute dead. I wouldn't have even thought they only had 10 men. I thought we were the side who had like about 3 men, and I was so dead. Because it nearly made me fall asleep that second half, and I think seeing these fans get kicked out made me wake up. I don't know what was more interesting about the second half, the game or these fans getting kicked out. But yeah, it was dead but of course a win's a win. Of course, Assombalonga, he done his perfect shot of goal. He looked like he would have scored. Yeah, well done, lads. You're making a noise for them. He wanted it in that game. Of course, Pulis has gave him his chance, and of course, well, this game he's done as well. He could have went on to score a few more, but as you hear it all from me, I knew it would be something tight. Of course, he got the 1-0 win. Of course, got QPR next week, then on a best of run. So
should we see if we can beat it? Should we get past QPR? Can't we get past Blackburn?
Well, shoot. Hopefully we can get past QPR. That's the only downside is it's at home. That's your downside.
All right, Mike. Just go on, Boro Fan TV.
Different gravy.
Cheers,
different gravy.
Everywhere we go, everyone will know.